Hi guys, welcome back on Tech Aid. We are providing you practical solutions to your problems, whether it's a simple hack or a step-by-step guide. We have got you covered. In this video, I will gonna show you that how to add a clickable link on TikTok bio. First of all, you can open the TikTok application. I can already open the app. After opening the app, you can just simply go to the profile icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. Tap on it, and here you can now tap on edit profile. First, you will just open the app and copy the link that you want to paste the link on TikTok. I can open my Instagram. So now you can tap on share profile, and now you can tap on copy link, and the link is copied of Instagram. You can just simply go back again on TikTok, and now you can tap on bio. You can just remove your first bio and enter the link that you copied. And now you can tap on save, and this is the way you can add a clickable link on TikTok bio. If you want to keep your online activity private and access to restricted contents like I do, trying using a VPN, it's secure, easy to use, and makes some browsing safer. The link to buy is in the description below. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more practical solutions. Got questions or need extra help, drop a comment below and we will be happy to assist. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching.